Hey there folks, this is the second video of 2026 for me going to CSSBattle.dev and doing Daily Target. Appreciate all of you who left nice comments on my hour-long video from January 1st. Yeah, I had a lot of frustrations, a lot of great ideas, particularly corner shape. I tend to avoid corner shape because it's not in Safari yet, and I do always use Safari in these videos, so I can't use Safari if I'm going to continue to do that. I may change that at some point. I kind of like the consistency of continue doing Safari just because I'm, what's the word? Obstinate, stubborn. I also like doing things a little bit different. It forces me to write slightly more compatible code. Pure Chrome code for CSS battles, I feel like I learn less from. That's as simple as that. All right, that said, I've just burned up a minute. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and see how fast we can do today's daily target. Oh, just a delightful shape here, huh? Like I just really like that. I think this is 4 elements, yeah? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's got, each one has got a height and a width. 40, and we got a display flex on the body, which will set a flex context. Display flex, and there they are. They all have a gap between them. They all have a border, solid, what is that, 15 pixels, maybe it's 10 pixels. Let's do 10. And then this yellow color, like so, and then it's got a radial gradient, which is, we set it, we would use the keyword circle, but we're gonna use 1Q. A lot of folks do an uppercase Q. It doesn't matter, believe it or not. CSS is not case sensitive. Although I think that CSS custom variables are, so you know, there's always a gotcha. Yellow is the middle color. Maybe it's 20 pixels as a radius, and then transparent. Maybe it's 10 pixels or maybe it's 15, and then that's got an at value at 10 pixels. Probably at, oh no, it's at 50%, 20 pixels, let's say, 20, 10. And none of these numbers are right yet. None of them, not a single one of them. So let's put green on the background. Boom. And then we know that the odd ones are odd. They're going to be flipped upside down. So B, again, none of these numbers are right. I'm just hoping that this is going to, when we set the correct numbers, that it's going to work. But B is what? Scale -1, which turns it upside down and backwards. And hopefully this is going to work, but we don't know yet. Let's find out. Let's set some margins. The margins on the side too. 1, 10 to 10. And then margin down 4, 5, 6, 7, 71, 2, 3, 74. Ooh, what a neat number. And these got to be a little wider, huh? 5, 6. Getting close. And then that gap, I think we're right aligned. How about 20 pixels gap? That did it. Great. So then we need this to be at a different number, 4, 5, 6, 7, and everything just slotted into place. Look at that. Let's submit and see if we've got 100% match, and we do. Beautiful. So we can minify, and we can do a unit replace. What will unit replace? I don't think any of these are going to unit replace. Oh, what unit replaced? Oh, the gap. 5 VW from what, 20 pixels, I think. So yeah, and that is how we do it. You know, there's always more tweaking you can do. You can, oh no, there's not there. Let's see, what is it? Star. Is that right? No, I can never remember. Oh no, that's not right. Star, ampersand, and ampersand. Nope, I'm leaving it body. Sorry, I'm not smart enough. Not today. Minify again, unit replace, and then a final score. Did I do that already? I can't remember. And that's the final score. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you, those of you who stuck with the hour-long video yesterday. This is a bit shorter, just 5 minutes and 20 seconds, and I'm out. Bye.